In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Google Keep. Google Keep is a versatile note-taking app that many people use for organizing thoughts, making to-do lists, and setting reminders. Today, we'll focus on enhancing your notes by adding images. Whether you're documenting a project, brainstorming ideas, or just having fun, images can add a lot to your Google Keep experience. So let's dive into the process. To start with, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, you need to head to Google Apps. You can see this in the upper right hand corner of your Google homepage or your Gmail. It's that neat little grid of dots. Clicking on this will drop down a menu of useful Google tools. From this menu, locate Google Keep. You might need to scroll through the list or click on More to find it if you haven't used it recently. Once you've spotted Google Keep, go ahead and click on it. Doing this will open up the Google Keep interface where all your notes are organized. Now that you're in Google Keep, it's time to get creative. You'll want to click on the Take a Note area to begin a new note. This usually appears at the top of your Google Keep dashboard as a blank field prompting you to take a note. This is your canvas for jotting down thoughts and, importantly, for adding images. With your new note ready to go, look for the Add Image icon, which resembles a small mountain inside a picture frame and usually sits next to other note-taking tools beneath the note field. Clicking on this will bring up options to add an image. Next, you'll need to upload an image from your computer. When you click Add Image, a window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer's files. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the image you'd like to include, and hit Open to upload it to your Google Keep note. Once the image has uploaded, it will appear in your note. From here you can add text alongside your image, make lists, or simply let the picture speak for itself. Don't forget that you can also adjust the note settings, like pinning the note to the top of your Keep, setting reminders, or even adding labels to organize it amidst your collection. And there you have it, you've successfully added an image to your Google Keep note. This simple action allows you to enrich your notes and make them more visually engaging. You can add as many images as you